strong.
Teacher, all the websites I see are too hard.
Okay, so this is another lightning tutorial. In this lightning tutorial, I'm writing my presentation about the Northeast, and I'm trying to write research data about the Northeast. So I come in here, I create my title, The Northeast, and I'm going to write some stuff about the Northeast. I'm going to write climate of the Northeast, and I'm going to write weapons of the Northeast. And now I'm going to have to do some kind of research, so I'm going to go for weapons of the Northeast. I'm going to collect weapons of the Northeast here, look. And I'm going to go to Google here. In fact, of course, I'm going to go to DuckDuckGo, which is the kind of Google that I use. And I'm going to try to do some kind of research here. So I'm going to type in my topic here for my research. My research is weapons of the Northeast. And I type it into DuckDuckGo, and it says Native American weapons. Oh, that could be quite good fun. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to open a new tab, and I'm going to go down a little bit further here. Samurai swords, Japanese swords of the East, not relevant to what I'm doing. US Navy is raising, not relevant. Quite a lot of these, they're not really about what I'm talking about. Oh, it looks like I've written weapons of the Northeast, and yeah, I haven't told Northeast. I'm going to add America, and I'm going to add historic, so that I can add a bit of history and a bit about America. Native American weaponry, excellent. So it looks like I can add that to my tab there, look. And then if I go down south, I can add this to my tab, Native American weaponry. Research uncovers oldest weapons ever found. That sounds pretty good fun. History of US weapons. I'm going to have a look at some of these tabs that I have opened then. Here, Native American weaponry. That looks like pretty cool stuff. Now, bows and arrows have existed for 800 years. Low-tech weapons, atlas, lances, spears, knives, pipe tomahawk, war hatchet, gunda. Oh, this is fantastic. Looks like this is a great resource. I'll definitely keep it. Oh, now I've got this YouTube video, this Wikipedia video here. Wikipedia article. It's massive. It's difficult. It's hard to read. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to be able to really understand anything that says. I'm going to get rid of that. North American weapons, already got it. Research uncovers 15,500-year-old weapon, the earliest weapon ever found in North America. Cool, but I think it's going to be hard for me to understand that. This looks like it's too modern. Great, I think a better search engine might have been if I had written 4 kids here. If I had written 4 kids, then I think it would have made it easier for me. 4 kids, great. Okay, looks like here, American Civil War, teachers, great. Civil War here, fantastic. This looks like there might be some good weapons. This thing already going for kids here. Native American people of the Northeast, look. So by writing 4 kids, I've managed to get myself some much easier articles. Look, fantastic, still about the weapons. I could also just go for simple, and then when I go for simple here, look, I'm going to find myself some really simple ideas about weapons and the Northeast for my research article.